In the Gambia, air pollution is a silent killer, responsible for millions of premature deaths. It's time to shed light on this urgent issue and take action. Welcome to Permian Health Clean Air Initiative, a groundbreaking partnership that aims to improve air quality and protect the health of Gambians. Air pollution was the second leading risk factor for death and disability in the Gambia in 2019. It's linked to hypertension, heart attacks, diabetes, and even cancer.
Women and children are overrepresented in activities and occupations, both at the home and outside, that expose them to air pollutants.
But here is the challenge. Despite the importance of measuring air quality, the Gambia lacks the necessary resources and infrastructure to measure air quality accurately. Without reliable data, it's difficult to implement targeted interventions and policies to safeguard the well-being of Gambians. That's where Permian Health Clean Air Initiative comes in. We have partnered with IQ Air, a Swiss-based technology manufacturer, to install an integrated network of low-cost air quality sensors across the Gambia. These sensors provide real-time data on air quality, allowing citizens and local authorities to respond quickly to changes in pollution levels that could impact public health. But we don't stop there. We believe that information should be accessible to all. That's why we are sharing this data freely and openly through our contributor page and the AirVisual App developed by IQ Air. By identifying sources of pollution and empowering local actions, our initiative is a promising solution to improving air quality and protecting the health of Gambians. And here is the best part of it all. Our partnership offers schools, businesses, and other stakeholders the opportunity to install these air quality sensors at no direct cost. This not only helps gather crucial data, but also demonstrates your commitment to clean air and the health of your community. Together, we can democratize access to air pollution data, raise awareness, and disseminate knowledge about air pollution and its effects. By providing education and training on air quality and pollution to our partners, we will empower them to take action and create a healthier nation. Join us in this vital mission to breathe cleaner air, protect our health, and build a healthier Gambia. Together, we can make a difference. The Permian Health Clean Air Initiative. Let's clear the air for a healthier future.